Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Walmart mini tins from the Black Friday sale. My wife got me all 5. I'm not going to talk about the price, but we're going to get into it. But I'm going to do a quick cut, and then I'll have all the packs laid out with the promo cards in front of them. So, there we go. Look at that. Alright, and we're back. So I got it all separated. I got the promo cards for each box, and then in each one of these tins, we got 1 Destined Rivals, 2 Journey Together, and 2 Surging Sparks in each one. So, and then in the first box, our promo card is Iron Boulder. Take it set. Yeah, we'll set that one right there. And then on the second box, that promo card was Iron Crown. The third tin was Iron Leaves. The fourth was Raging Bolt. And the fifth was Walking Wake. Very nice cards. Very pretty. Very pretty. So, we're going to go from left to right, 10 to 10, and we're going to start with this one. And that is the Destined Rivals. I've not opened much of this, so we all know what we're looking for. We all want that full art, alt art. Promo card. Back to the front. Alright. Here we go. Pichu, Larvitar, Factory, Ogerpon, and then our first reverse is a Lurantis, then a Washrotom, followed by a Garchomp EX. Very nice. Put that right over there. Alright, on to Journey Together. Water. Metang. Spirits. First reverse is a Torchic, followed by a Noivern and a Magmortar. Second pack. Oh, well, there's Leaf. I got Fungus, Noibat, Kling Klang, Sandaconda. And we got our first reverse is a Pangoro, and then a Morgrem, followed by a Bellybolt EX. Off to Surging Sparks. My dog decided to shake her head. Dingleberry. Starting off with fire. And Zangoose. Passaminian? I don't know. Stadium. Shinnetalk. First reverse is a Helioptile. Looks like an axe on a head. Followed by a Glimmet. And, ooh, got something here. That is a Sislizar EX. Gotten all the EXs today. And then last pack of the first 10. Oh, go card. Leaf Energy. Kappa Skid. Duralation. Time. Vicin, whatever. Mouse Hold. First reverse is a Kilowattrel. Followed by Victini, yeah. And then we have a Rabska. Nothing big out of the first 10. Alright, we need Santa. Get some blessings on this thing. There we go. Now we're Christmas mode. Have you guys tried this out? Have you guys went and bought any of these? I think they were only, how much? $17 for a 10. 5 packs for $17 plus a promo card. That ain't bad. You know, as long as you can find it before El Scalpo Gato gets them. Fun to open. A little bit more variety in the packs would be nice, but I do like the packs. And we got that guy. Don't know that one. Ogre Pawn. Morgrim on reverse. And the next reverse is a Giovanni. Ooh, what's this? Persian EX. That's nice. You guys are gonna have to let me know. I don't know too much about these. Is that worth anything? Then that's a sharp card. I'll give it that. All right, that one's done. Come on, Santa. Give me some more numbers here. Need some full art. I haven't got a single full art yet. Not a secret rare either. Woo, just throw it around. Go card. Fire, Joblig, Larvesta, Beldum, in the castle, Celator, and we got a Volcarona, Cutie Fly, followed by a double. Next pack. Code card. We got Cubone, Joltik. Which one of these three is your guys' favorite? Is it Surging Sparks, Journey Together, or Destin's Rival? First reverse, second reverse, and then our back card is a Lycanroc. Journey Together did nothing for me. Journey Solo. Surging Sparks has always done me right, so let's see if we can get anything out of these last two. Boy, that opened up like butter too. I like that. Of course, that card there is a bit of a whooper. Alright. See if we can find something to help fund our Christmas. Let's see, we got Dusk Ball. I wonder if it's related to Dirty Balls. And we got a Mantine. Oh, what's this? Then a Gouging Fire. That's a very nice looking card. And a Cien Powell. Nothing big there. Next pack. Let's see. Code card. Front. Boji, let me know if you see anything in here you like. Oh, we got a Stadium. First reverse, a Yamask. Then we got a Graplocked, followed by a Gastrodon. Whew. 2 10s down. A whole lot of nothing. That 10 was worse than the first one. I didn't get any EXs out of that 10. Good night. Well, at least the kids don't have to open that one up. I got it taken out for them. This one, I think's got something nice in it. We got a Mankey. Of course, this is the Destined Rivals pack of the third 10. Try to go through this as fast as possible because we got so much. First reverse is a Pichu. Oh, we do have something here. Let's see. Is that the back? Yeah. It wasn't the first reverse. This was the first reverse. Alright, Pichu is covering an EX. Moltres EX. Look at that card. Nice and sharp. Shiny, shiny. Alright, starting off good. Next pack. Here's a code card. Water Energy. Alright, here we go. Mr. Mime. Drampa. Banette. Pangarillo. First reverse is a Lotad. Then a Cecilio. Followed by a Kilowattrel. Alright. Started off hot. Now we're not. Second pack of Journey Together. Code card. Got Energy. The Chook. Guess I could bring it closer to you. Spike Energy. First reverse is a Carblast, followed by a Wingull and Lily's Rabumbi. Journey Together. No bueno. Surging Sparks to save the day on the third 10. It's a good Christmas gift. I mean, price that it is, as long as you can get it before the resellers. Kids love it, or the Poke people out there in the world. Pokemon isn't just a kid's thing. It's a collector's person that would like these. 10s are pretty neat. Smooch 'em. Followed by a Ceruledge and Palkia. Alright. Off to the stack. Code card. And we got Tandy Mouse, Stampy, Stunkfisk, what? Stunfisk. Shellos, Executor. That's different. Miradon, Serrano, Rellor. Nothing special there. Terrapagos. That's 5, 10, 15 packs. No full arts, alt arts. All we've gotten so far is a Moltres EX, Persian EX, Sizzler EX, a Belly Bolt EX, and then 3, 4, 5, and then this Garchomp EX. None of those are secret rares. A lot of EXs, I'm good with that. Alright. We're going to go back and forth on this one. We will start with the left side. Come on, Santa. Ooh, this pack's fighting me. It might be good. Then, code card. That's all shiny. Electrike. Slugma. Meditate. Hypsilon. Morgrim. And we got a Pupitar. Followed by a Meowth. And a Zerora. No idea. Alright. Destin's rival for the other 10. We'll go 10 to 10 now. First 10 was the best 10. Let's see if which one of these would be a good 10. Definitely right now that first 10 is winning for sure. We got a Cetadoddle, an Ogerpon. Then our first, no, that's not a reverse. There we go. There's first reverse is an Impidimp. Followed by a Magikarp. And then a Zapdos. Not bad. I guess should do it like this. Alright, first one on the left side, journey together. Woo, fire. Go card. We got Paras, Golem, Escavaler, Rock Scouting. We got a Woolo, followed by a Oinkalong, and a Wailord. Alright, first pack on this side. Code card. We got Steel, Tang, Noibat, Rockruff, Gradance, Fighting Spirit, and Volcarona, Oinky thing again, and Ludicolo. Back to this side. Code card. We got, yeah, let's do it like that. Squawkabilly, Clang, Furret, Wheezing. This might be a good pack. It's a bunch of little EDB names I can pronounce. Sensino, Wheezing again. Oh, Corvic Knight, followed by, oh, there we go. Our first alt art, and it's a whopper. Clefairy EX. That might be juicy. Pull that up. Actually, put it on this side since it goes to this pack. Right there. About time. Good gravy. Outstanding. My audience seems to have fallen asleep behind me. Go card. Who would have thought Journey Together would be the one to save the day? Cubone, Joltik, Larvesta, Big Spirits, Wheezing, the night one, Spike. Oh, that's a gold card. And then followed by Tyranno something. That's very awesome. Spike Energy gold card. That's the first gold card I've ever pulled. Wow. 1 for 1. Alright then. Neck and neck. You guys are going to have to let me know which one of those two cards is better. You got your Spike Energy gold card or your Clayfair EX full art. I definitely do not know at the time of the recording. That just snuck up on me. Alright. Velios, Rotom, Togepi, Helipotile, Surfer Guy. Looks like a bad day. Yep. And followed by Smoochum, Fueco, and a Landorus. A pile of packs off to my side. Third. Slackus, Azel, Vigoroth, Altaria, Vivillon, Sandygast, Shroodle, and then a Skeledridge. Alright, last pack on this side. Will it have anything fire in it? Will it carry the rest of the pack? This 10, we don't know. Alright, here we go. Vulpix, Swablu, Sandygast. How come whenever I say these names it sounds like I'm having a stroke? Rellor, Applin, followed by a Shinpao. Well, last pack. Code card. A little peek. Not seeing nothing. Alright. Remember everybody, if you're not ripping, you're slipping. So don't hesitate. Get out there and get you something and open it up. Enjoy it. No matter what it is. So you got Slacketh. Huh. And an Iron Crown. That's the third time that's happened today. Let me know. How'd we do? 5 Walmart, 10s for Black Friday. Alright, let's do a little recap. First off, We got all these EXs. That was pretty nice. Persian, Moltres, Walking Wake, and then I believe these were the promos. Yep. Raging Bolt, Iron Leaves, Iron Crown, and then an Iron Builder. Then our first full art was a Clefairy EX, Lily's Clefairy. And then we pulled a Slacketh. I think that's a full art. And then we got a gold Spiky Energy. Let me know how'd I do. Peace.